After marriage, I left my job. I decided to focus on my family. I have a baby and my responsibility increased. Most of my time goes to my family. Honestly, I stopped giving time to myself. But one thing I always believed, every woman has a dream, even a housewife like me. When I was doing corporate job, I used to feel like maybe this is not for me. Yeah. Corporate life is not easy, my dear. If you don't have strong skills, then it is very difficult. But if you have strong skills like technical knowledge, technical skills, website development, your communication, so it is very good for you. If you have a strong skills, but if you are not communicate properly, then it is very difficult. If your English is not good enough, your growth becomes limited because in corporate life, communication is matter a lot. You may have technical skills, you may work hard, but if you cannot express your ideas clearly, people may not notice your potential. English is not everything, but in today's world, it is very important. And listen, if you do basic work, then you stay at same level. And I realized something very important. If you cannot speak confidently, you cannot grow confidently. English is not just a language, it is a confidence tool. I want to put command on my communication skills. That's why I started this 30 days spoken English challenge. And I want to learn English because I'm obsessed with this language. So I don't study 12 hours because I have a baby. I have lots of work. I get tired, but I try. Some days 2 hours, some days 4 hours, sometimes only 30 minutes. But I don't stop because consistency is more important than motivation. Recently, I joined office and what my roadmap is if you are a housewife and if you also want to learn English. So, what is the my roadmap? I will tell you that in the morning I just 20 minutes listening practice, okay, and afternoon 30 minutes I speaking practice. While cooking, uh, play English audio, okay, and the night 10 new words and then making sentences. So this will help you a lot. Start small. Don't study 12 hours from day one. Increase slowly and most important, keep your phone away while practicing. Okay, turn off notification. Make one fixed time only for yourself. After marriage, dreams not end. They just need a new system. You are not just a housewife, you are a woman with dreams. And even if I can try with baby and household chores and so many responsibilities, then you can too. Start today with 20 minutes is enough because one day those 20 minutes will change your life. If you like this video, so please like, subscribe, and share. Okay, so keep learning, keep growing, and keep improving.